Hey reseller besties, it is Stephanie with Three Queens Resell, and I'm back with a daily what sold. So hit that like button and let's get into it.
Let me set the scene. We hustle hard, stacking green, living up the dream. From clothes and kicks, we got that vintage flair. You name it, we got it. All the styles you wanna wear. Started small, now we roll.
Hey friends, it is Stephanie with Three Queens Resell. Welcome in. This is everything that sold on December 26th, and I am going to go through it. If you're new here, I'm a full-time reseller. I sell pre-owned clothing, shoes, and accessories. And if you are a reseller bestie, welcome back. I always enjoy that you guys engage with me and comment down below, and I'm looking forward to our time together in 2026. Let's get into what has sold. So on Poshmark, I did run 30% off offers to likers yesterday, so that yielded a lot of sales. So I was happy to clear out some older inventory. Of course, with that, some newer things get swept up as well, but that's okay. And then on eBay, we are just we have our traditional markdowns, but offering an extra 10 to 20% off depending on how long we've had it and how much I want to get rid of it. So let's get into what sold. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you are not already subscribed to the channel. And I am struggling to get over a cold. It's been day 6. First up on eBay, this sold in 256 days. This is a Thomas pink, that's the label, button down shirt, and it sold for $27.98. I don't really pick up men's button downs, but if I look it up, it's a brand that I don't really recognize and the comps look good, I'll snatch it. Next up is this Adidas sporty knit top. This sold on Depop in 37 days for $11. Also a Goodwill Bins pickup. Now this one I was super surprised about. It took 1,173 days to sell. This is a Victoria's Secret bathrobe. It's like that terry fleecy cloth. It's so soft and cozy. It has the belts. It has pockets. It's in excellent pre-owned condition. It's also an extra small. So it did sell on Depop for $12. And at that point, I was happy to see it go. Another piece that I picked up just for Whatnot shows was this Intro dress. Intro is a boutique brand. It was lightweight from the bins. I actually took it to Plato's Closet first and they didn't take it. So then I decided to list it. It sold in our Poshmark sale for $15, which is amazing because that's more than I probably would have gotten for it in a live auction. Then we had this Lucy quarter zip. This has also been listed forever, 1,026 days, and it sold for $9. So glad to see that go. You can tell when it's old because it has these quotes from my calendar from the year previous. I used to put those like positive messages in there for people. Next up, this was a quick flip. Not very much money. It did get swept up in our 30% off. So this is a 1X Liz Claiborne like jersey knit floral tunic. Black floral plus size does well for me. But it sold for $9 after 29 days. When I run those sales, sometimes I don't include new things and sometimes I do. And I guess I did yesterday. In my defense, I have been in a fog of like Vicks vapor rub, and so maybe I was just hallucinating. Next up was this Maurice's new tag top. It sold in Poshmark in 345 days. Maurice's is not a brand that I pick up for resale for our platforms unless it is plus size, a cute blouse, like decorative blouse, like blazer or dress or a sweater. And so this one was new at tag. That's why I picked it up. I took it to Closed Mentor. If I pick it up, it's to go to Closed Mentor first, and then if they don't take it, then we list it. So we ended up making 11 bucks off of this one. Next up are these Bear Paw men's shoes. These are the lace up Benjamin, and this is like a felt like wool sneaker rubber sole. So interesting. A size 12, and they've been listed on Poshmark for 220 days. They sold on our sale for $16. Also selling were these Morel Girls Snow Boots. So I probably took these to Once Upon a Child and they didn't take them for whatever reason. I don't ever question it, and I don't take them back. I don't give them multiple tries. I just go ahead and list it. And then they've been listed 141 days. They also sold in our sale for $18. So someone got 30% off of those and snatched that up. Next up was this Doe and Ray button front Henley with crochet sleeves. I bought a Doe and Ray palette. It will be 3 years in May that I bought this palette. And I bought it to sell on Whatnot, but then Whatnot and I have a strange relationship. And so I've sold through about half of it, of the 1,500 to 1,000 pieces. And now I'm just like taking any offer, because since I don't do the Whatnot auctions as consistently, or Posh shows, I am coming back consistently, but at a very abbreviated schedule. And it won't be, I'll only be doing plus sizes to start. So I want to just take any offer on that Doe and Ray stuff. So if you're in my closet, you should see something you like, be respectful, but send me an offer. But that sold for $8. And so yay them. They got a great deal, 30% off. Also, it is athletic wear season. This Cold Gear quarter zip sold for $8, and it was listed for 489 days. Also a Goodwill bins pickup. Then we had these Levi's high-rise wedgie jeans in white. They've been listed on Poshmark for 602 days, and they sold for $13 in our sale. Then this brand is like Maurice's. It's Ophelia Row. I only pick it up new a tag to take somewhere else first. And then if they don't buy it, I will either live auction it or list it. And so this has been sitting for 537 days. It is a size large knit sweater, and it sold for $8. So someone got a great deal. This same story, the brand is Simply Be, which I've never heard of it before, but it's a new tag dress, and it's a size 22, and it sold on eBay after 473 days for $13.89. So happy to see that move on. And then our last item, this was listed for 660 days. J. Jill and Chico's. I have so much of that stuff that I'm really going to like pull back on those brands, move out what I have, bring the prices way down. They are bread and butter staples, but I'm really going to focus on, if I bring in a piece from those brands, is that, which I thought this was, is that it's super unique, and can flip quicker. But this ended up selling on eBay after 660 days for $26.11. So that is the haul for the day. Let me know how your sales went yesterday, the day after Christmas. And make sure you comment down below, share the video, engage so we can grow this positive reselling community. And let me know in the comments what kind of tutorials or what information you would like, or processes of mine you would like me to create content around. That way, sometimes just seeing how someone else like does something or manages something. I've done lots of videos on the inventory system and the boxes because y'all seem to like that. I like it too. But let me know what you want to see, and I will produce that for 2026. I'm getting my content schedule together now. I will see you in the next one, friends. Bye-bye.
Let me set the scene. We hustle hard, stacking green, living out the dream. From clothes and kicks, we